Day in India. The contribution of Dr. Bihari Vajpayee was unique and cannot be comparable with the contribution of any other person or personalities of the country. He is a great leader, a great statesman, and founder president of Bharatiya Janata Party. And when he became the first president of Bharatiya Janata Party, he nominated me as the president of Orissa unit of Bharatiya Janata Party. The great contribution is the atomic test at Pokhran in 1998. On 11th May, there are two tests. The entire world was amazed, and big powers of the world are bounced upon Atal Bihari Vajpayee, saying that you cannot have any test, atomic test. You have no right. Without caring for that threat, Vajpayee again on 13th or three other atomic tests and declared before the world that India has now become an atomic power. And henceforward, no country of the world will venture to attack India. And we are not going to attack any country from our side. But any country trying to or venturing to attack India will be given befitting reply. He has many contributions, and he is such a popular person who is respected by all political parties. And as you know, that when Mr. Narsingh Rao was the Prime Minister, he requested Atal Bihari Vajpayee to represent India in UN. Complaints were raised by his partymen that instead of you going to the UN, why did you ask Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who is the leader of the opposition, to go to UN? Mr. Narsingh Rao replied that is the best person to represent the country. I think there is nobody else in the country who can represent the country in a better manner than Atal Bihari Vajpayee. His contribution for development of the country is something unparalleled. That Swarna Chaturbhuj Yojana for connecting all the 4 cities of the country. You know, this Calcutta, Delhi, Chennai, Bombay and Chennai. That is a big project. And as a minister and at that time, if there is a special cell in the Prime Minister's office, and there was regular inquiry. If there is any difficulty anywhere in the states, they immediately intervene. And the Atalji also inquired, Mr. Upsanji, what is happening in Orissa. There should be no problem, and whether it is land acquisition or anything else, it must be solved. And sir, I am prepared for it. No problem will happen. Other contribution is this Gram Sadak Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Entire network of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is a unique project, and all the roads in the mafsal areas have been developed by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He has many poverty-oriented schemes, and it was for the farmers, for every section of the people. He has many projects, and is a very popular and is one of the best orators of the world, both in Hindi and English. His oration is something very, very unique. And he is so popular that when he was in opposition, and CPM leader, Mr. Was the speaker, who is he? Somnath Chatterjee. And on certain issue in the parliament, every leader demanding that this should not be done. He resisted. He said, no, this cannot be done. Atalji ultimately stood and said, Mr. Speaker, I think what sort of demand is being met by the other leaders, I think you should agree. Then immediately turned, he said that when Atal Bihari Vajpayee is saying that there is some substance in it and this should be accepted, I accept. This is his popularity. And this is the birthday of that great popular leader of the country. The leader was known all over the world, and his powerful voice had come to an end after his death. And is a leader and a great statesman, and all over the world he has his popularity. And after the atomic explosion, there was economic sanction, and nobody came forward, no country came forward to help India financially. And these American, these NRIs, they got together in America and they said, Atalji, the prestige and dignity you have given to us, we cannot forget. Before this atomic explosion, when we Indians were talking with us and Americans are passing by that way, they said Indians, like this they commented. But after the atomic explosion, they have heard them that India has now become an atomic power. It is a big power of the world. And so on this day, we are remembering that big leader and statesman, and his contribution cannot be forgotten by the country. Jai.